visit me. Let go my shirt. What you do?
I come in. You can't go well if you're hot. My ex-favorite color.
Hey!
My ex-favorite color.
What you do?
My ex-favorite.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo back again with another prank pan Abby. Yeah, guys, right now, let's see the title already, guys. Let's see the title already. I prank Abby and tell her, say, I go deliver one tripod or ring light. Maybe a tripod. Turn on my ex them because she text me and say she want one, you get me? So, guys, Abby actually asleep right now. I already open up people come, I already put on the camera in the room and everything. So, I say, yo, I go wake her up and ask her for like change or ask her something related to what me I go do. You understand? So she must wake up and ask me what me I go. And I go tell her what me really I go. Yeah, guys. So make sure to smash the like button and comment Team Capo down below. Go back to Abby and Capo Comedy TV and go subscribe. Subscribe to Abby's Madness and don't forget to subscribe to Capo's TV and follow up on Instagram right down below. Yeah, guys. So you know say Abby crazy already. So I know that prank I got trigger off her head. Cause me really want to see how she gonna react. Guys. I look forward to see her reaction. So no further talking. I'm gonna do right now and just start the prank. So let's go. Abby. Abby. My girl, come to bed now. Come to bed now. Yo, Abby. Wake up now. Come to bed. Abby, small it. Small it. Me see, is it the morning? I
don't feel like it.
I'm going now. You know, change. I need at least about just give me $2 grand. No, give me like a 500 or 500. Half a tree. Deliver a tripod now.
Yeah, but today is Sunday.
So you have to do anything.
I'm gonna deliver tripod. Oh, wait, I deliver tripod. I just up so I go. Watch your van.
You don't change your name, please.
We don't deliver tripod on Sunday.
I want to change now, but me I forgot. I'm going to deliver tripod right now. You want me?
Oh, first of all, see the business phone right on the head.
No, the person.
Nobody no text now. Watch it. Oh, somebody text today.
My text David and tell them.
No, but I know them, that person that I talked to last night, they never confirmed.
But me I said,
So you get contact and you know the phone.
Smell good? Smell good? Deliver tripod now. This man, the person. How are you busy for? This man, the person takes me.
Oh, but them no text this.
No good, though.
Them don't text the number.
No, for Messenger, in Facebook Messenger, they text upon.
Your papa text for Facebook?
Not really, but.
All the best text about
Because I ask if I look good enough
Wait,
to
then
look good enough up on the road. Like, I look good enough up on the road. That's all I ask you.
why you dress up so?
I'm going to try to ask you a question and answer. I look good enough. I'm look appropriate for half a tree.
Yeah, but why you dress up so you don't know just
The part too big, I want to take it more or something.
Yeah, but bumper rascal. You know my children and my clothes and go on your boy business.
But me ask you.
So I gotta spray perfume every minute. I gotta spray perfume every minute. So where I go?
Let me go.
Not in the business for you. Nobody not text. I talk about people. All of the people that text upon their messenger.
I feel look good for deliver a tripod to the person.
Yeah, but now you look man, you unite, you furnish, whatever, one look years or something. Yeah, watch out. You know, watching of shoes and this and tight pants and so. And then you're going to ask me if you
make sure I look good for deliver a tripod to that person, yeah.
So, okay.
And the person is to talk.
Oh, yeah.
I'm ex-girlfriend, them on tripod, make sure I look appropriate. My girl, if actually look good, you can go back and look so many people. change right now. I'm wallet. I'm wallet. I threw it in the bed this morning.
Okay.
You want to post it so?
I'm happy. I'm pissed. God, this is so serious.
So the wallet I look for. I want some change though, I'm not money. I'm not trying to tell you. Give me some of my perfume, the good perfume you have now. Want some of the good perfume you have? Ah. Oh, you see how weird. Give me some of my good perfume, my friend.
What you say I go deliver chapati?
I can't stand like them don't
What
tell
you
me.
say I go deliver chapati?
My
Because you went to sleep and come
You want
ask
change?
good answer. But today
Find the wallet,
Sunday, we do not deliver on Sundays.
I'm on it about it now.
Yeah, I am only right about that.
Why would you want
so
to
I
do
have
that?
a
Somebody can have it, but son.
so you
If
say-
they are church and they come at Kingston now, and they want me to meet them to deliver the item, why would I do that? I want to need to have a tree.
So you say somebody used to talk to. We used to talk to. Yeah, I mean talk to. Cause I couldn't want to explain you are going to meet and you are dressed up so everything. Which means I'm dressed up so everything. You know, I come with you.
What do you mean you come with me? What do you mean you come with me?
I didn't be
Hello, don't give me the change. No.
If when they ex them want to come buy something.
Hello.
When they ex them want to come buy something.
I come.
And y'all are just a contact about.
The girl that we coming now.
So you come in.
The girl just called a while ago. Where you come and go?
I come in.
I be even change me go no man. The girl that wait for me now. For half an hour now. I'm going to tell her to give me the change. I put on what it. How you do? That don't make no sense to you right now. The girl waiting on me a bit. Give me the change, please.
You're not good for me.
We are do that
I
for.
don't know what kind of plans
Who
you're
are
trying.
what is hello? I'm not playing for you.
Like the police. Come over there. What kind of plans you're trying?
The girl is waiting on me. What should I do? A businessman. Let go my shirt. What you do?
I come in. John, you can't go well if you're bad. Everything you know you need in this.
Jesus.
John, come on, I talk about. But smell good, I look good.
I mean, the girl that wait for me.
Yeah. She can't wait at Jamaican. We don't know time.
You must think.
Oh yeah, fire myself.
No. We don't have time for this now.
Everything again I see it today.
I win now with the money. You not with the money.
Everything again I see it today.
Let me go.
I said I come in. I don't want to put on my pants and blouse and much
Esther, wait
bikini.
for me. Let me go.
Should I have to know some day? May I put on my big sweater?
I let me go now. We can't breathe.
Come on, put on.
Yo, man, let me go.
Put on.
Let me go now. Let me breathe. Stop. Man, do that one too. Just easy.
Okay, let me have in front of the store. Hey,
Give me back. Give me back, please. Give me back. Give me back. Jesus Christ, I'm not ready.
Wait until we put on something.
I'm not ready. Give me back.
Wait until we put on something.
Come now, baby. Like, don't drop me. Tell me, girl. Oh, boy. You got much now sense there.
She don't have to know I'm there. She don't have to know me I come. I put on my sweater.
What is that company with me?
Can I dress up and all that? So I want to know what kind of classes it is.
And I go short a bit. Then I be short star.
Oh, God, I'm bright. One more red sweater is.
I mean, you have to come on the road.
I come in.
You're over it now. You have to come
Yeah,
on
one more red. You are over there. Can I dress up? Alright.
Wait there.
For me, not to come. Alright.
Hello,
Change the
don't touch
top.
me.
Change the top, change the pants. Put on my normal clothes where normally.
Yeah, that is my nice clean shirt. Let me go. Between me and let me go. Oh yeah, but now make it my shirt, you know. Make it like that. But now make it my shirt, you know.
All of a sudden, yeah, just so for deliver.
Where are those?
Put on your normal clothes.
Calm down.
Why am I put on your normal clothes?
Drink
Else
some
never
water.
come.
Drink some water and come down.
Put on your
I
normal
hope I don't
clothes.
look like some raga look meet
So
people.
when you have to meet people every day, look
Normal.
like
Yeah, come here street too, but I can't meet that person look so.
Why?
You're gonna meet
The person see by internet looks so.
No.
What the issue?
In person this stuff, make sure you think up is me, you can't go around.
So you're trying to impress X.
No, you're trying to make a statement.
What kind of statement
You better have to doubt them. Let me out of the statement.
So you mean for just up and go to them and look so good?
Yes. I will jump across the bed now. I'm going to make sure I look good at you. You know what? You did the same thing. When people... You know, like some no pop down.
You didn't send the ex nothing.
What do you mean? I'm money. I need money from the arch.
It doesn't matter. You could get somebody. Me could have deliver it.
Why I want you to deliver something and I might sale?
It doesn't matter.
It's my sale. It's my
place.
sale. Yeah, but
Money
my
I go
sale.
one place.
The person wants to see you for your face? No.
Oh, so the person wants to see you?
I don't know.
The person wants to see you?
Yo, wait
Oh, to the person wants to say, you say, what, just up and so?
make sure if you see me, I look like this.
Yeah, but them see a pants so, them put it in all. When they get planked, you look raggedy. When they on the internet, you on Instagram, you look alright and so.
When I go on the road now, you have to look like this.
So when you go for delivery such a for them, why you never dress up so all the time?
If
But you dress up so all the time, no more would have an issue. Oh no, you dress for child.
Today Sunday, Abby.
Yeah, today Sunday, I want to deliver on Sunday.
But
so why you trying to
exception for the girl
you
from
make
church.
you gonna make some
Hey,
delivery
I'm from
tomorrow.
church. I'm on the Apple Street. Can you please? I'm gonna say okay, fine. What time? To 10:30. I'm gonna say
Okay,
alright,
and I
fine.
said, wait on me. Put on the
You
shirt.
girl wait how long? Maybe like half an hour since you girl wait.
Alright, nobody never tell something.
Yo, you messing up back off.
Moi, my sweater, wait, what my sweater is?
Shirt, man.
John Crow.
I'm gonna shop it late. Dog, where
The
that's
tripod even in here, so what you
Yeah,
have
that's
on the road without the tripod? Wait till I put on my
Give me
sweater.
bag.
Wait till I put on my sweater. I never take that ID still in there, you keep up on the road without ID and mask.
I'll be working on it. I'm realizing. Where are we going to find out? Yo. You got to show a blue one. Got a blue one out. You know that was a favorite color for you, no?
Remember ex-favorite color?
Hey!
Remember ex-favorite color?
What you do?
Remember ex-favorite
No!
color? John Crow,
You're
remember
my
ex-favorite
favorite color too, that's why. Jesus Christ, it's much a place now.
Remember ex-favorite color?
What you do that for me? But tell us I blow my favorite color.
No, you say I
blue and red,
bet.
man.
You say favorite color too. So I come and say that
No, I
for.
can't remember one ear, man.
And they expect someone to come. You say all of them something they expect me for excuse. I'm taking my nice. Nice. You still can't go now without your bag, Janko. You don't have no money in your pocket. Tell us I just make me come, the girl don't have to see me. John Crow. And come and talk about girl's favorite color. Come and talk about girl's favorite color and this and that. She do not have to see me.
Let's get more time, man. Give me back to man. What you going to hold on to?
Because she don't have to see me.
Jesus. And what you do? This is overboard now.
Come, you don't have to walk beside me. You have to try to go to the second.
Yeah, go overboard. Give me back.
Yeah, oh, see, that's
Give me back. Yeah, go extra.
come.
I'll be young.
John Crow.
You really have that door?
She don't have to see me. She have to go to the
Jesus Christ. You really have that door?
Where your key? Find it.
No, man, I'm gonna come and lick her head rotted. Yo, guys, she got out the door now. I can't believe it's their ass. I'm not go there. People never come back in. Oh, watch it now.
Put it back there.
Watch it now.
I said you better come John Crow. Yeah, she don't wear plans.
She never see me yet. How you come boat? How you come boat? Take a ball and that off of you. I promise. I promise. You don't know what you say, the boy you put on clothes. I see one egg come see look like Madam Man.
They wouldn't see me with the eye.
Oh, but
Take that away.
no, because she really want egg to here. Eggs, you know, she wants to look like this. I can't believe her. What's your run, guy? No, I'm really serious. I say one X. No, I say one X here. The girl doesn't know you look. The thing about that come down if you want to come and look to my girl.
I'm gonna find out when we try to get here. After I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk about the face.
Push Abby along, I rub it. No, yeah, if I embarrass me, you embarrass me. You embarrass me, Abby.
Yes, son. Macho. Oh, that I'm bright.
Yeah, guys. Like, I've been fit a while ago. I'm only way I defend. You know, come tell me boy, go down, deliver or whatever.
You know
whatever.
what I'm saying though? You come and talk about, oh, you look and you spray this and you spray that. So I'm saying, alright, them come and them hide in one corner.
What you want to come do?
And then you come and talk about, was a favorite color too.
That's how we Alright. Yeah, guys, so, you know, I mean, if you just wake up, man. You think we can go make X look pop down? Eh? Guys, spam the comment section.
Them say look pop down on internet.
That's on internet, but in a real life, you have to make sure, you know?
In
Spam the comment section with Team Capo, guys. Because he's one mad man. Mad. Yeah, guys. Hey, oh, but these things. Oh, you think about it? No, man, she vex. We can't believe you want to go.
I'm stretching on my damn black blow.
Are you want to do that? So, guys, don't know think of Capo Prank, them always chatting up people. Yeah. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not new. Subscribe. 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 No worry. Yeah, see. Yeah, go see. From the comment section, guys, and also follow up on Instagram down below. Yeah, subscribe to Abby's Madness. Abby, must think you can't come and comment on the face.
Sorry.
Subscribe to Abby's Madness and subscribe to Capo's TV, is it? And also subscribe to Abby and Capo Comedy TV. Yes, guys. So until then, Team Capo is out. Abby, if you have a look for my ex-girlfriend, I understand,
say you need to just a pass, but they are rubbing on my face for, oh yes, man.
But the truth is, if I do better with the ex-girlfriend see me right now, I should better with a 12 o'clock today.
Get my code.
I do, man. Oh my, I've been easy, you know.
Fuck yourself, you boy. Worse than me, I have good sleep. I could have gone everything, I could have gone there, go back on the table.
But you want change?
Oh, if I want change, if you get change, and if I have a change bag, junk room, right.
Which I do actually.
I'm something I want to go back and be, beat up that the boy, say,